Hello kids, in previous video, we learned letter A to I. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. So, we will trace next letter J. J for jelly. J for jelly. Yum, it's yummy. So, let's start letter J tracing. First line, second line, and round. It's J. Letter J. J for jelly. J sound is J. J for jelly. Next letter is letter K. K for kite. K sound is K. K sound is K. K. So, first line, second line, and is third line is K sound is K. K for kite. K for kite. So next letter is letter L. L for line. L for line. So let's trace letter L. So match the dots and make your letter L. It's L. One straight line, second straight line. It's letter L. L for line. Next letter is letter M. M for monkey. M for monkey. So let's match the dots. First straight line, second straight line, third straight line, and fourth straight line. It's letter M. Letter M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Next letter is N. N for nest. N for nest. So let's match dots. One straight line, second straight line, and third straight line. It's letter N. N for nest. Next letter is letter O. So let's match letter O dots. Is round. It's round. O. O for orange. O for orange. So we match next letter dots. Next letter is P. P for parrot. P for parrot. P sound is P. P sound is P. So let's match the dots. First straight line and second round line. It's letter B. B for parrot. So next trace letter R. Let's trace letter Q. Oh, it's Q. First round, then one straight line. It's Q. Q for pin. Q for twin. So next letter is letter R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. So let's match the dots. First straight line, second round line, and one more straight line. It's letter R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. So, we repeat our letters. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jelly, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit.